Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can make real money using Amazon affiliate marketing just by using Twitter. No website needed and no complicated setup. Let's dive in. First of all, you need to join Amazon Associates program. Go to affiliate dot affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Now click sign up and fill in your basic details. Once you are approved, you will be able to create affiliate links for millions of products and earn commissions when people buy through your links. Niche ideas, tech gadgets, books, fitness gear, beauty products, pet supplies. Next, choose a niche. This helps you stay focused and build the right audience. If you love tech, promote gadgets. If you love fitness, share workout gear. Stick to one or two topics so your followers know what to expect. Now, create a dedicated Twitter account for affiliate marketing. Search for Twitter, then choose the first link. Click create account, enter name, enter email, date of birth, and click next. Then click authenticate. Using the arrows, move the person to indicated seats. Okay. Now click submit. One done. Then click submit. Two done. And submit next. Now go enter verification code from your email address. Copy the code and paste here. Then click next. Enter password like a strong password. Then click sign up. Then save. Use a clear profile picture. Just click on that and upload your profile picture from your computer or any your device. Write a short bio. Then choose your username like that. Then click your niche, lifestyle, gaming, music, then click next. Now follow one from here. Go to your profile. Add a link in bio. Can use tools like Linktree if needed. Make sure your profile looks professional and tells people what you offer. Find products and create affiliate links. Now go to your Amazon seller dashboard. Search for product in your niche, get link, copy the short link, then paste in your Twitter bio. These are the links you will be sharing on Twitter. Always disclose your sharing and affiliate links by adding something like hashtag ad or hashtag affiliate in your tweet. Example tweet formats. Just click on post. Right. Best fitness gear for home workout, then paste link here, then click post. You can also add image, your product image. You can use Grok AI from here. Don't just drop a link. Write short helpful tweets explaining why the product is useful. Use lists, comparisons, mini reviews, and even Twitter threads to get more attention. Posting links alone isn't enough. You need an audience. Quick tips: tweet daily, tips, news, or trends. Reply to bigger accounts in your niche. Use trending hashtags. Engage with your followers. Likes, retweets, comments. The more active you are, the more Twitter will show your posts to others. And that's it. With a good niche, a clean Twitter profile, and consistent tweeting, you can start making commissions with Amazon affiliate links. Consider creating Twitter threads where you recommend 5 to 10 products at once. People love bite-size shopping lists. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you wanted part 2 on scaling up your earnings. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.